Hi guys, this is Sophia and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this Valentine's Day pink eyeshadow look. If you like it, please keep watching. I'm starting off with my Double Wear foundation. This foundation is really great if you have oily skin because it really does keep everything mattified through the entire day. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I like to conceal around my mouth, my chin, and all around my eyes just to brighten things up. For cream contouring, I'm using a stippling brush to blend some on my cheekbones and my forehead area. To set everything down, I use the Laura translucent powder, and I apply this underneath my eyes, my chin area, and my T-zone, just to make sure that everything stays mattified. For bronzer, I'm using a large blush brush, and I'm just applying it everywhere that I did the cream contour. To contour my nose, I use a thin brush and apply bronzing powder, like so, just on the edges and the tip of my nose. Then I come in with a stippling brush and use circular motions to blend it all out. For blush, I'm applying the color True Pink with a small blush brush, just to the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using this Becca palette, and I'm using a little bit of the pink tone just to accentuate the blush that I already applied. After that, I'm coming in with this color called Icicle, which is amazing, and I'm applying it to my cupid's bow as well as the very top of my cheekbones to make them pop. I like to do my lip liner before the eye makeup just so that it settles down and dries completely before adding the liquid lipstick on top. For eyeshadow, I'm starting off with a Desert Dusk palette and using the color Amethyst and applying it all over the top lid. Using an accent brush, I'm going to apply that same color to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going in with the color Twilight, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this to the center of my eyelid, avoiding the crease. To make my eyes look bigger, I'm using the color Real Girl in the Modern Renaissance palette and blending that in the crease using swiping motions. To unify the whole look, I use that same color and apply it to the bottom lash line. Now I'm coming in with my Ciate London liquid liner, and I'm going to create a cat eye. Using Urban Decay All Nighter, I'm going to line the bottom lash line as well as the inner corners of my eye. To fill in my brows, I use an angled brush and the E.L.F. brow cream like so. Curling my lashes, I always apply a thin layer of waterproof mascara to keep the curl. Then I apply my regular mascara. After adding one layer of mascara, I always come in and add a second one on my top lashes just to emphasize them and create a more dramatic look. For my lips, I'm starting off with the Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline Liquid Lipstick. This stuff is amazing. It literally lasts 24 hours on your lips. Then I come in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. And here I am using the color Soft Lilac. And I add the color Karina on top. I went ahead and curled my hair with a 1-inch barrel, and this is the finished look. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.